good, baby? How y'all doing this morning? Good, good, good. That's fucking crazy. That's like a sobriety test in the morning. It's not funny, but if you, bruh, it's 8:30 in the morning, right? And they got a lady over there doing the sobriety test. Oh man, she must have had a. It's not. Anything can be going on, so I guess I shouldn't laugh. Cause we all been there before, Blaze, you know, from the night before. We all been there before, man. So you know that it ain't funny. I shouldn't have laughed at that. I'm sorry. What's up them people of the nation, people of the nation. Okay, so we gave it a jerk test and we looked under that physically. So we locked in. Let's go hook up all our electrical and our airlines. Come on, guys. Y'all know already I go electrical first. Oh, we got electrical. Then we go emergency. Touching the catwalk. They do get fixed. Straighten it out. Alright? Straighten it out if you do. Let's go supply the trailer with air. Let's supply the trailer with air. Early in the morning, that's confirmation. Okay? Then get our landing gear up. Take it with you. That way, leave it behind. We taking it with us, of course. Now, okay. Check out tires. Get a good look at them, even though that ain't gonna show none, because if it, you know, sometimes they retread, so Even if you look at them, they look new. Down made them. So get our chalks out the way. Let's hang them up. I'm gonna meet y'all in the truck. I did a video on how to start a YouTube channel in 2024, and so I hope y'all like it. So, right back. God damn, this one of them things where I gotta jump up there and grab the thing. Hold on, guys. Hold on. YouTube, I think I found it, man. Nice little truckers oasis. Check this out, guys. Man, this is beautiful. Sorry about the wind, but gotta show y'all this. Y'all see? Look at that. This is Medina's truck stop, guys. See? Check that out. All right. Check this one out. All right. Look at the view. See it? Check this one out. Bang. See? There's another one. Bam. And the last one. It's pretty dope. Pretty dope, guys. That's just beautiful, man. Yeah. Check that out, man. Imagine if I had a fishing pole. Got him. Oh man, this is beautiful, guys. It really is. It really is. So it really is. I'm gonna come back when it ain't so windy, and I'll be right back. Check it out. Get a good another view of it. Bam.
So we're gonna take a trip to Bismarck. Copy. Pick up the Sunday shoes. Please, Louise.
We on a scale, but I ain't gonna. This is just 72. Alright, YouTube, it is that time. I'm gonna bring this video to a close. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for tuning in. Thank you to my subscribers for commenting, liking, and watching the videos. Thank you for all the new viewers who come through and slide through the channel and check me out. So hope you guys have a good day, a good week, a good month. Just everything with love, man. So guess what? We'll holler at you later. Peace.